Students, today we are going to start a next type of nouns, that is collective nouns. Yesterday I have told you the definition of collective noun. Uh, Collective noun is the name of a collection of persons, animals, or things taken together. Collective noun is the name of collection, or you can say group of persons. The word which we use for the group of persons or group of animals or group of things, that is called collective noun. Okay. Yes. Look at part B. First of all, A part, few examples are there. First one is, there are 11 players in a cricket team. There are 11 players in a cricket team. Here, team is a word which is used for the group of players. So, team is a collective noun. In the second sentence, I saw a flock of sheep grazing in the valley. Here, flock word is used for the group of sheep. So, this is a collective noun. In next sentence, she bought a bunch of bananas. Here, bunch is used for group of bananas. So these words are team, flock, and bunch. These are collective nouns. These are stand for the group of or the collection of players, sheep, and bananas respectively. Okay. Yes, dear students. Let's come to part B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Take words from those given below. Few collective nouns are given in the box. You have to fill them in the blanks. Okay. First one is, no need to fill these words now. You will get PDF, the solved PDF of this chapter. Okay. Only understand what I am saying. Okay. Only concentrate what I am saying. A blank of fish. A blank of fish. A shoal of fish. SHOAL. This is a collective noun for group of fish. Okay. Next, a blank of stars. Cluster is a collective noun which we use for group of stars. Third one, a blank of wolves. Yes, students. Pack is a collective noun which is used for the group of, or you can say collection of wolves. Next, a blank of cars. Fleet of cars. Next, a blank of bees. Honeybees. A blank of bees. Swarm. A swarm of bees. Sixth one, a blank of sticks. Very simple. Bundle of sticks. Seventh one, a blank of grapes. I have already given you this example. Bunch of grapes. Next, a blank of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. Bouquet is a collective noun which is used for collection or group of flowers. Okay, again I am repeating the same. A blank of fish, a shoal of fish. Next, a blank of stars, a cluster of stars. A blank of wolves, a pack of wolves. A blank of cars, fleet of cars. A blank of bees, a swarm. Swarm is a collective noun which we use for the group of bees. A blank of sticks, a bundle of sticks. A bunch of grapes. And the last one, a bouquet of flowers. Yes, dear students, is there any doubt in part B? If you want to ask something, you can raise your hand. Is there any doubt in part B? Or everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am, I'm clear.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
I'm clear. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Next part, two columns are given. Underline the common nouns. Sorry, the word in column A are collective nouns. They stand for collection of persons, animals, or things given in column B. Match the two columns. In column A, you have collective nouns, okay? And in column B, collection, these are the names of persons or things or animals for which they stand for. First one, fleet. We have to match fleet. Fleet is the collective noun which we use for, can you tell me? Can you tell me, anybody? Can anybody tell me with which we have to match this? Summer. Who is Summer? Summer Third Newton. Whose ID is with this name? Summer Third Newton.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is there?
I'm Sumar.
Third Newton. Now you are in fourth. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me tell you. First one is fleet. We have to match this with sheep. Okay. Fleet is a collective noun which we use for the group of ships. You have to write down numbers. Okay. Don't draw lines. Write numbers for the same. Right? Like you have to write number 1 in front of ships. Okay. Second, band. Band is used for musicians. Okay. Third one is army, which is a collective noun that we use for the group of soldiers. Next, fourth one, herd. Herd we use for cattle. Cattle, pet animals like cows, horse. Next, pack. Pack of cards. Fifth one. Next, sixth, choir. Choir is a collective noun which we use for the group of singers. Next, brood. This is used for collection of chickens. Next, litter. This is used for group of puppies. Litter is used for group of puppies. Okay. Ninth one, troop. This is used for group of dancers. And the last one, packet, packet of biscuits. Again, I am repeating. Fleet, you have to match this with ships. Then band, you have to match this with musicians. Next, army, you have to match this with soldiers. Then herd with cattle. Pack with cards. Choir with singers. Brood with chickens. Next, litter with puppies. Troop with dancers, and packet with biscuits. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
me,
beta.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta. Let's move to the
Excuse me,
next
ma'am.
part. Yes, yes. Yes, Shaurya.
क्या आएगा इसमें? मैम सिक्स्थ का. मैम सिक्स्थ का.
Choir. This word, this is a
Yes,
collective
ma'am.
noun which we use for the group of singers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Let's move to the next part. That is part D. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Again, they are doing the same collective nouns. First is mob, then herd, swam, flight, string, pack, army, bunch, suit, album. These collective nouns are given in a box. We have to fill these in the blanks. Okay. First one is, we could see a blank of sheep coming down the hill. We could see blank of sheep coming down the hill. Anybody can tell which collective noun we use for group of sheep? Yes, Yashvi?
Ma'am, hard.
Yes, herd. We could see a herd of sheep coming down the hill. Second, a blank of thieves is active in the city. A blank of thieves is active in the city. Yes?
Ma'am. Ma'am, pack. P-A-C-K.
Yes, yes, yes. Next one, a blank of bees flew out of the hive. A blank of bees flew out of the hive. Tanisha?
में तो आ जाता है पर वो पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
A blank of bees flew out of the hive.
Ma'am, swarm.
Yes, S-W-A-R-M, swam. Very good. Next, a strong blank of soldiers was sent to the front. Very simple. Prakshal?
Ma'am, army.
Very good. Very good. Next one. The police ordered the blank to leave the place immediately. Harpreet, mute yourself. Harpreet, mute yourself. Yes, Shaurya. A blank of keys. Sorry. The police ordered the blank to leave the place immediately. Shaurya. Harshita.
Ma'am, M-O.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mob. Mob means crowd of people. that cause disturbance. Next one, sixth one, a blank of keys was lying under the pillow. A blank of keys
Ma'am,
was lying under the
bunch.
pillow. Yes,
Ma'am,
Shaurya?
bunch.
Yes, very good.
Bunch.
Very good. A bunch of keys. Very good. I got your answer, Shaurya. Next, there are some rare stamps in my stamp blank. Yes, Yashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
there are some rare stamps in my stamp blank. Yes, Yashvi?
Ma'am, A
Yes,
L
yes,
B U M.
yes. Very good. Album. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, we booked a blank of rooms in a 5-star hotel. Aditi,
Ma'am.
we booked a room in a we booked a blank of rooms in a 5-star hotel. Yes, Aditi? You can tell the spelling. If you don't know the pronunciation, tell me the spelling of that word.
I
Yes. Your voice is not clear. Yes. Anybody else? Neerav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, suit.
Cute. Suite. Okay. Next one. There is a beautiful blank of pearls lying in the showcase. There is a beautiful blank of pearls lying in the showcase. Vanshdeep,
STRING steering.
string, not steering, string. STRING, string. Okay.
ma'am.
And the last one, a blank of steps led to the main hall. A blank of steps led to the main hall. Aradhya,
Ma'am, SUITE.
no.
Ma'am, I
No.
tell.
Harshita, Harshita, no. Harshita,
Ma'am, FLIGHT.
yes, flight. The pronunciation of this word is flight. Okay. Is there any doubt, students, regarding this chapter? Collective nouns?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Have you any doubt or everything is clear?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, clear.
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear.
Okay. Yes, dear students. Now, the next chapter, that is very simple chapter, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. Countable and uncountable. The things we can count, the nouns that we can count are countable, and the things that we can't count are uncountable. Okay. Nouns that can be counted are countable nouns, and nouns that can't be counted are uncountable nouns. Look at part 1. Count and write the number of persons, animals, or things in these pictures. Whose mic is on? Ishika, mute your mic. Ishika? Yes. First picture, blank girls. How many girls are there? 2 girls. We can count. Next, how many rabbits are there? 3. We can count these rabbits also. Next, how many flowers are there? 4 flowers. These are also countable. Next, clown, joker. How many clowns are there? 3. How many penguins are there? 4 penguins are there. And how many apples are there in the last picture? 4 apples. We can count girls, we can count clowns, rabbits, flowers, penguins, apples. So these all are countable nouns. Okay. The nouns that can be counted are countable nouns. Okay. The nouns that can be counted, like in this picture, girls, rabbits, flowers, clowns, penguins. We can count all these things, all these persons. That's why they are countable nouns. Now, another pictures are given in part B. Sugar, milk, water. Can you count sugar? Can you count milk? Yes.
No.
Can you count?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
we can't
No,
count
ma'am.
sugar. We
No,
can't
ma'am.
count milk,
No, ma'am.
water, any liquid.
No, ma'am.
Okay. These are the nouns which cannot be counted. So these all are uncountable nouns. Okay. Again, I'm telling you the definition.
Okay, ma'am.
The nouns which can be counted, that we can count, are countable nouns, and the nouns which cannot be counted, like sugar, rice, wheat, oil, milk, water, these all are uncountable nouns. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? In exercise C, write C for countable nouns and U for uncountable nouns. Okay? C for countable and U for uncountable noun. First is tea. You can count tea. Yes,
No,
Shaurya?
ma'am. No,
We
ma'am.
cannot count. That's why this is uncountable. And
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to write here U. Okay. Second, cup. Cup is countable or uncountable? Harshita?
Ma'am.
Whose mic is on? Shaurya, Nirav, mute your mic. Shaurya, mute your mic. Yes, good. Yes, Harshita? Cup is
Yes,
countable or uncountable?
Ma'am, uncountable.
Very good. Third one, milk. Milk is countable or uncountable? Yashvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Milk is countable or uncountable?
Ma'am, uncountable.
Yes, uncountable. Very good. Next, fourth one, bottle. Vanshdeep?
Ma'am, countable.
Very good. Next, gold. Shreya?
Uncountable.
How can we count gold?
What?
Uncountable. Shreya, mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mayank? Mayank? Mute your mic. Yes, next is ring. Ring. This is countable or uncountable?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Prashant.
मैम मैम
Wait. Yes.
मैम गोल्ड का क्या आएगा?
Uncountable.
ओके मैम.
Next is ring. Yes. No. Harpreet.
मैम काउंटेबल.
Very good. Next page. Nirav.
Yes, ma'am.
Page. We can count pages.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, countable.
Very good. Next paper. Now it's Vanshdeep, your turn. Vanshdeep. Mayank, mute your mic.
मैम
Yes,
पेपर.
Vanshdeep. Yes.
मैम काउंटेबल.
No, we can't count paper. We can count sheets. We can count pages. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Next, cake. Yes. Mayank, mute your mic. Lot of disturbance is there. Yes. Now, Yashvi.
My turn.
Yashvi,
Yes ma'am.
cake.
Ma'am steak.
Cake. Ninth one we are doing. Cake. Cake is uncountable. We can count the slice of cake, but cake is uncountable. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Next, 10th, stone. Stone is also uncountable. Then chocolate, 11th. We can count bar of chocolate, but we can't count chocolate. Okay. 12th bar, that yes, this is countable. 13th, fruit. Fruit is uncountable. We can't count food or fruit. Okay. We can say 3 bananas, 4 apples. Okay, but fruit is not countable. Next, mango. Yes, this is countable. We can say 3 mangoes, 4 mangoes, 5 mangoes. Next, 15th, food. We can't count food. Food is uncountable. Next, sand. Sand is also uncountable. Grass, again, uncountable. Chair, we can count. Butter, uncountable. And the last one, honey, again, uncountable. You will get the PDF. Yes, Mayank. Mayank, please mute your mic. Mayank, mute your mic.
16 का क्या था?
Yes, Prakshal.
16 का क्या था?
Your voice is not clear.
No.
Your voice is not clear. Please repeat.
Ma'am, 16 का क्या था?
16th, sand. We can't count sand. Sand cannot be counted. So this is uncountable now. Okay. Yes. Next part, part D, fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns. These all are uncountable nouns. And the picture is also given. A blade of grass, a pinch of salt, a spoon of sugar, a cake of soap, drop of water, head of sand, heap of sand, bottle of milk, slice of cake, a kilo of flour. Pictures are given. You can write the names easily. Okay. Students, today we have done two chapters, collective nouns and countable and uncountable nouns. Do you want to ask something? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, you have to complete these two chapters in your book. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear students. And I am going to over this lecture. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.